Alright, this video comes from section 7, topic 5, and we're going to talk about growth and decay rates of exponential functions. Alright, so the equation y equals 250 times 1.04 to the x, that models growth. We're going to look at the common ratio. Alright, and it's a comparison to 1 because 1 means that it stayed the same. If you multiply anything times 1, it didn't change. So in this case, if we're comparing 1.04 to 1, it is greater than 1, so that means that it grew. Alright, how much did it grow by? Well, it grew by 4%. 0.04 is equal to 4%. If you multiply that decimal by 100, you will get the percentage. Alright, so that is a 4% growth. Alright, the next one, the function f of x equals 350 times 0.75 to the x models the amount of money remaining. Alright, that's going to be important. Amount of money remaining in Alicia's summer budget, where x represents the number of weeks since the summer began. Which of the following statements are true? Select all that apply. Alright, the function models exponential decay. Well, we have a common ratio that is less than 1, so that would be true. Alright, this does model decay. 350 represents the amount of money Alicia had in the budget at the beginning of the summer. That is true as well. Alright, we know that this is our y-intercept, our starting point, so 350 would be the amount of money that she started with at the beginning of the summer. Alright, the rate of decay is 25%. Alright, don't get confused and just say that the common ratio is your rate of decay. That is not true. Alright, what we need to look at is compare everything to 1. Alright, so if you have $1 and then you only had 75 cents, how much did you lose? Alright, well, you lost 25%, so that is a decay of 25%. We know that 0.25 is equal to 25%. Just multiply that decimal by 100 and you'll get your percent. Alright, Alicia spent $262.50 during the first week of the summer. Alright, so we see that the weeks tells us our exponent. So if I did 350 times 0.75 to the first, alright, we know anything raised to the first power is itself. 350 times 0.75 does come out to 262.50, but that doesn't tell us how much we spent. That tells us how much is remaining. Alright, so that one would not be true. And then we'll look at the next one. Alright, at the end of the second week, so this time 350 times 0.75 to the second power. Alright, 0.75 squared comes out to 0.5625. Multiply that by 350, and that's going to come out to $196.88 when you round it up. Alright, and that is less than $200, so she will have less than $200 left in her budget at the end of the second week. Alright, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Also, put your name in the comments so I can give you credit for watching the video.